Hello and welcome to Kojo's Trick Lab. This week we're going to be learning the butterfly kick. If you can't already do this, it doesn't take long. I've taught this to hundreds of people over the years, to people in their 50s, to kids as young as 4 or 5. Anyone can learn this, even if you're not flexible, if you don't have any trick experience, no gymnastics, no acrobatics, nothing. You can still learn it. I'm going to break it down into tiny little steps. If you follow these, spend 10-15 minutes on it, really trying, going back, looking at what you're doing, following the steps, you're going to get it. And once you get this, you can get aerial and gainer, flash kick. You can move on to a load of other tricks. So this is really a fundamental trick to get.
To start with, stand legs just over shoulder width apart, arms straight out in front. You're going to bring your arms over to your right, look to the right, head and chest down. So keep looking up with your head, don't look at the floor. Swing your head, chest and arms all the way across your body so that you can see the wall behind you. At that point, kick your right leg straight backwards as hard as you can and push off your left. So you're going to kick back and push off your left leg. So if we do that a bit quicker, arms out in front, over to the right, head and chest down, swing all the way across and kick, butterfly kick. Now when you're going round, after you take off, you should be able to see the wall behind you the whole way around. So you're just spotting that same spot on the wall as your legs come around. So if I do one with my back to you, you'll be able to see me spotting you all the way through the move. Key points to remember for your butterfly kick. Make sure when you bring your arms back to this side, you get your chest really low and you keep your chest low all the way around until you take off. A lot of people will go like this and it won't work. Also, if you find you're trying it and you're accidentally doing a cartwheel, that will be because of where you're looking when you take off. Lots of people go for it and look at the floor, and naturally, when they kick their leg, they start to do a cartwheel. If you make sure that you take off looking up, then you won't be able to put your hands on the floor for a cartwheel, and it will make you do a butterfly kick.
I hope you've enjoyed that tutorial and I hope it's helped you to get your B kick. It's really not too hard a trick. If you're still struggling with it, just take it a step back. Don't be afraid of going right back to the beginning because you'll get it much faster in the long run.